In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, which form type to choose, and how to polish it so it looks great and gets results. Start by opening your Mailchimp account. From your dashboard, head straight to the Create button. This is your hub for building anything new in Mailchimp, and it's where we'll begin the form setup. Next, click Sign Up Form. This takes you to the form creation area, where Mailchimp lays out your choices in a simple side-by-side view. You'll see three options: Pop-up form, embedded form, and sign-up landing page. Choose the option that best matches your goal. If you want a small window that appears over your website to grab attention quickly, select the pop-up form. It's ideal for quick sign-ups and promotions that benefit from an immediate nudge. If you already have a website and prefer the form to sit naturally inside a page, go with the embedded form. This works beautifully on blogs, contact pages, or in a footer where visitors expect to find a subscription option. If you don't have a website, or you want a simple link to share in emails, social posts, or ads, choose the Sign Up landing page. It gives you a dedicated page focused solely on collecting sign-ups, no extra distractions. Once you've picked the format that fits your needs, click Build It. This opens the editor so you can make the form your own. Begin customizing the fields. Keep it focused on what you truly need. Email is essential, and first name can help personalize messages. The fewer fields you require, the easier it is for people to complete the form. Then move to design. Align colors and fonts with your brand, use clear headings, and make sure text is easy to read. Generous spacing and strong color contrast help with accessibility and mobile viewing. Finally, refine the button text. Avoid vague wording like Submit. Choose clear, action-driven copy such as Sign Up, Join Now, or Get Updates so people know exactly what will happen. When your form looks and reads the way you want, click Publish. Mailchimp will save your choices and make the form live in the format you selected. Take a quick moment to proofread the text, confirm the visuals feel cohesive, and make sure the button stands out. And that's it. You've opened your account, created a sign-up form, selected the right format, customized fields, design, and button text, and published it all inside Mailchimp, all